Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. It is, what is it today? Wednesday morning. We're in the shed, and I have some orders to pull. Sales were decent yesterday. Lots of little small stuff we're going to be pulling. I don't think I have anything fantastic here. I'm scrolling through. Yeah, nothing really big going out, but let's pull it. Okay, y'all probably remember these from yesterday. They didn't even make it to the shelf. These are Wii controllers. I sold these two to the same guy, bought both of them, and I got $14.99 a piece plus shipping on top for those. That's on one order. And then I sold one of these for $9.99 plus shipping and another one for $9.99 plus shipping. So just in these 4 Wii controllers, we're looking at $50 plus shipping. The difference in price is because these have Wii Motion inside and these do not. So yeah, pretty good little sellers. I love selling these kind of things. Real easy shippers too. They're gonna ship really easy in these little 8x4x4 boxes. So be perfect. Look, here's the length right from here to here. Perfect fit. I love it. Yeah, y'all know what I'm going to get, I think. Gonna get one of these Eversharp razors. Sold another one, $13.99, free ship. It's kind of weird. I need to go take a look, but I started getting offers on these things yesterday. Like 3 people made offers on them, and I didn't have offers turned on. I'm thinking eBay turned offers on for me. eBay, I do not want offers turned on these. I need to go turn it off if I can. Okay, this sold. This took a couple of days to sell. Thought it might sell same day, but it did not. This is an Ipod Nano. What generation? 3rd generation. Works well. I don't even remember buying it. I actually found it in the car the other day. Sourced it quite a while back. Well, you can see it's working right now. I sourced it quite a while back, and it was in the car under the seat. I found them like, hey, look, there's an iPod, and charged it up, tried it out, and it worked fine. So anyways, I sold this for $21.99 plus shipping on top. Another easy shipper. Okay, I have a box here. Man, this box used to be full of these cards like this, and they've all pretty much sold for the most part. But today I sold these two, Tomb Raider collectible card games, Trapped in the Tombs Quest and Into the Caves Quest decks. $12.99 plus shipping. These are actually going to Russian Federation. So they're paying a pretty good bit for shipping, I believe. Wait, I think these are going to Russian Federation. Let me look. Yep, I verified. These are going to Chelyabinsk, Russian Federation. And y'all asked me about shipping. A few people asked me about shipping international. When you ship international yourself and you don't use GSP like I'm going to do with these things, you can use you do it from the eBay interface, and you can use international first class package. It's different than domestic first class package. Domestic first class package on eBay, you can print a label up to 16 ounces. International first class package can be up to 4 pounds. So I put in the listing, I made this weigh. I said the shipping weight was gonna be 1 pound. So if I can come in a little lighter than that, I'm not sure. Let me see. Let me see what this is gonna weigh. Approximately 0.72. I'm probably gonna be right at a pound. The shipping, it looks like the shipping is gonna cost about 22, and they paid about 24. So, you know, I don't mind shipping something like this international. There's not really a ton of risk there. So, but anyway, the last thing I have in here is this Monty Python and the Holy Grail starter deck. This box used to be full, y'all. All right, the last thing I'm pulling from my main account, I have some other stuff on the other account, is this Joe Rocket motorcycle jacket. This is going out today. Took an offer on this, $45 plus shipping. So that was a good little sale. I think I paid 20 bucks for 3 motorcycle jackets. And I've still got one left here. And I can't remember what the other one got when I sold it. I think it was somewhere around 50, 60. And then I got 45 for this one. So I'm up about 75 gross right now, plus whatever this one gets later. So that ended up being a pretty good investment. Yeah, $45 plus shipping on top for that though. All right, we're going back to the bookcase. And we're grabbing this Final Fantasy 15 official guide. This is a great flip right here. I bought this at Goodwill this past weekend for 50 cents and sold it for $29.99 plus shipping on top. So that was a terrific flip. What's that, 60X? I love that one. Then I sold an N64 game. Here it is. Grabbed it real quick. WWF Attitude. I've had this quite a while. I got $3.99 plus shipping for that. Then I sold a vintage Star Wars figure out of this box. Grab it real quick. It's a Chewbacca. And it is VS28. Is this it? Yep, this is it right here. There he is. VS28 Chewbacca. $5.99 plus shipping on top. So, oh, one more thing. One more thing is shipping out today. And I'm liking this table so far. Nothing but smalls, plus a motorcycle jacket. All right, last thing we're pulling is up here. Somewhere. Where is it? Ah, here we go. It's a Wii game I picked up from my guy, my source. I picked up a large box of video games from my guy the other day, last week. And this was in there. This is probably the best game in there. Sheeran the Wanderer. Took about a week or so, or maybe a little more, to sell this game. Probably right at a week, actually. And ended up getting $39.99 plus shipping on top for it. So that is a killer sale there. That's pretty dang good for a game that was in a random assortment of Wii games. So that is everything that I sold yesterday, and maybe some of it early this morning. So gonna be pretty easy shipping day for me. I'll come back and we'll see what else we get into in a little bit. Okay, I had to bring my daughter to the doctor again today. We're having a little bit of, she's a little sick. She's gonna be okay, I think. But yeah, I brought her to the doctor the past 2 days. She got a shot today, and we're going back again tomorrow. So been kind of struggling with that, but I have been around to be able to go to take care of that. So that's a good thing. But I am back now. Candace, my wife, she did take off of work this afternoon to go to the doctor too. So I'm gonna try and get a little more work done now. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and lift some Hot Wheels. I've been wanting to get to these, and I'm gonna get started now. I've already done these 4 cars here, and here's how I'm doing it. All the ones I just picked up are in cases like this. So I'm putting letters on the cases. In this case, it's A. Put it on all sides so I can always see it. And I'm just having like a numbering convention that goes 1 through 4, 5 through what? 5 through 9, no, 5 through 8, and then 9 through 12. And then the second row will be 13 through 24 in the same kind of fashion. And a lot of the cars look the exact same, or are the same cars, actually. This car and this car are the same, for instance. So what I'm doing is, first thing, I have a piece of paper over here. It has 1 through 12. I'm going to make another one that's like 13 through 24 whenever I need it. But like, for instance, right now, I'm about to work on car number 5. So I'm going to take a picture of the 5 on the phone, and then that way I'll know that the photos that follow, in this case it's going to be this little 95 car, whatever the heck that is, but the photos that follow, I'll know are, it's a little tight. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. Are A5. So whenever I go to, I'll either put it in the title or the custom field or both. And yeah, I'm having to do this one-handed because I'm holding the camera. It's usually a little faster than this. I could set the camera up on a tripod, but I'm just going to kind of cover this real quick. I'm using my ProCam app, which is awesome. I'm just getting like, I don't know, 4 or sometimes 5 shots of each car. And I'll get a head-on view, kind of up a little bit like this. These pictures are coming out pretty nice. And then I'll get that little bottom shot. Get in there and focus nice. Boom, got the bottom. And then I'll just put the car up. And now the car will stay there until it gets sold, at which time I'll know that I need to go to case A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll pull it. Last time I did these cars with like over 100 cars, for whatever reason I took them, well, the cases weren't in as good a shape, for one thing. Some of the, like under each one of these compartments, this stuff and a lot of the cases was broken. So these cases I'm going to actually use to store the inventory. Then after I'm done, I'll probably sell the cases by themselves. But this is going to work out pretty well, just leaving them in here. I think that's a smarter way to go. When is this car from? Hot Wheels. Wow. Well, Mattel, 1974, Hong Kong. And you can see how that Hong Kong is raised? It's on like a little raised square. Apparently that wasn't where it was originally made, because it looks almost like that's a second stamping that was done with that Hong Kong on top of there. So, yeah. But the best I can do is just put 1984. Was that some kind of Porsche probably? But anyways, that's what I'm going to be working on today, is just getting, I don't know how many listings done of these. I think I would like to get about 48 of these done. And I'm going to start them at, I did this last time and it worked pretty well. Starting at $4.99 starting bid, unless something's like particularly high. For instance, like this little guy, I'm probably going to do a buy it now on this, just because I know it's worth somewhere between $35 to $50. If I find any of these cars are worth like crazy money, then I might do something different. But we'll see. We'll see. I do a little research, just looking at comps. But typically I'm just going to start them out at $4.99 and see what happens. Last time one kind of surprised me. Started about $4.99 and ended up getting bids all the way up to $70. That was the best car last time. Hopefully I have one like that, or even better than that this time. Who knows, right? Who knows? It's exciting. It's like a little treasure hunt here. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know what these cars are worth. There might be some car in here that's just worth a bunch for whatever reason. Don't know. I did notice like this little guy here. Look, it's a little, what, 57? Yeah, it's a 57. It says 57 on top. 1976, Malaysia. Little mini Hot Wheel. So, anyways, that's what I'm doing. Nothing real exciting going on in the shed today. So I'm going to leave y'all with it right there. And I will see y'all again tomorrow. Take care, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry, guys. I almost forgot. Don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye, y'all.